Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive in Crewe. Today we'll be showing you around this Ford Fiesta 1.0T EcoBoost Titanium.
Finishing vibrant red color and powered by 1-liter petrol EcoBoost engine delivering 100 PS and paired with manual transmission, this Fiesta brings responsive performance with impressive fuel economy. Up front, the Fiesta features halogen projector headlights with LED daytime running lights and cornering front fog lamps helping you stay visible and safe. The 16-inch alloy wheels strike a great balance between comfort and agility, providing excellent road feedback and enhancing Fiesta's charm. At the back, you'll find LED rear lights with night signature, color-coded rear spoiler and rear privacy glass. The Fiesta's boot offers surprising flexibility with practical loading lip, 60/40 speed folding rear seats, making it easy to expand space for larger items or weekend bags. Rear passengers enjoy comfortable seats, ambient lighting, and the benefit of rear curtain airbags for peace of mind. With plenty of natural light and legroom, it's comfortable space for both kids and adults alike. Up front, the cabin is tailored for comfort, featuring lumbar support, manual seat height adjustment, and ergonomic layout that puts controls within easy reach. The three-spoke, leather-trimmed, multi-function steering wheel provides full control of audio and cruise functions. Ahead is a 4.2-inch TFT display which gives you key trip info and driver alerts in crisp, clear layout.
Equipped with electronic automatic temperature control, this car maintains your ideal cabin temperature with minimal input. The infotainment system comes with a radio allowing you to access your favorite stations with crystal clear DAB sound as well as media thanks to USB and Bluetooth connectivity. For a seamless music playback, you can also connect your phone and make calls hands-free and safely on the go, and fully integrate your smartphone thanks to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You can also access various vehicle settings to tailor the car system to suit your driving style, as well as use voice control to control features without lifting a finger. The driver will additionally benefit from the reversing camera by getting a clear view when backing up. This has been a presentation of the Ford Fiesta 1.0T EcoBoost Titanium. For more information, or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.